You've heard of smart plugs, but what about a whole darn smart strip? My favorite maker of HomeKit compatible smart devices just started selling one, and I got to try it out.
This is Twit.
For as much as I love smart home devices, I'm not the biggest fan of smart lights. Overall, I've found them rather unreliable and expensive compared to the alternative. I'm much happier with my smart lighting system from Noon or smart plugs from Wemo that you can use with any lamp or switch them out and use them with anything else that plugs in. Earlier this year, smart home accessory maker Eve introduced a smart strip, and now you can buy one for yourself. The Eve Energy Strip is pretty much what you'd expect, 3 smart plugs in one. You can plug 3 different devices into the power strip and control them with Siri, turn on my small light.
Okay, the small light is on.
Or with an app on your phone, or your iPad, or even your Apple Watch, turn on my lava lamp.
I've sent the request.
Or even with the buttons on the strip. It will cost you $100, which is pretty reasonable considering that my favorite smart plugs, the Wemo mini plugs, are individually priced at around $30 each. Yes, you can find the Wemo plugs on sale, and yes, you can find other smart plugs for even less, but you might be compromising security, privacy, or reliability if you do. Like all of Eve's products, the Eve Energy Strip is HomeKit compatible, which means you get an extra level of assurance that the device isn't easily hackable, and it probably isn't sending all of your energy consumption information to a hostile nation. It also means you can use HomeKit to group all 3 of the plugs together and to create automations. Set your energy strip to turn on when you arrive home or to turn off when you leave. If you have lights connected to your smart strip, you can have them turn on at sundown every day or turn off at 10 p.m. when it's time to go to bed. The Eve Energy Strip connects through the Eve app or through HomeKit, which means it uses Wi-Fi and doesn't require a hub. The HomeKit code is located on the bottom of the device, making it super easy to pair. The Eve Energy Strip also lets you track power consumption and your projected costs. If you enter your electricity rate in the settings of the Eve app, the strip will calculate the price of energy based on the total consumption of the last minute, the last day, or the last week. Unlike the Wemo smart plugs, the power strip also contains over-voltage protection, over-current protection, transient voltage surge suppression, and child protection. Still, my advice to you is not to stick a paperclip in any of the plugs just to check. Really, do not do that. The physical body of the Energy Strip is well constructed of solid aluminum with a sturdy 6.3-foot cable. You can buy a similar Energy Strip from CoolGeek for about $40 less, but it looks more like a standard power strip and it's a lot less fancy than the Eve Energy Strip. In addition to the 3 outlets, you get 3 physical buttons to turn the plugs off and on in case you don't want to use Siri or your device. The lights on the front monitor grounding and surge protection. On the back, there are openings designed to mount the strip to a wall or under a table, horizontally or vertically if you like. On the side, there's a tiny fuse that will eject if it detects an electricity surge, and the protection indicator LED will turn off. Sorry, Android and Amazon friends, the Eve Smart Plug only works with HomeKit, and you can't control it with your Amazon Smart Assistant or with your Google Home. There's also no Eve app on Android. With easy setup through HomeKit or the Eve app, the Eve Energy Strip is a solid and useful product if you have 3 additional lights, fans, or other dumb home products that you want to make smarter, and they all plug in close to one another. And if you're balking at the $100 price tag, think about the money you'll save when you use it to automate your energy consumption. I only have 2 complaints about the Smart Strip. 1, it's only rated for indoor use. I love my outdoor iDevices smart plug with 2 outlets. It also includes energy monitoring and is awesome for holiday lights. And 2, I would love to see the addition of a few USB ports like CoolGeek's Smart Strip. Still, the design and HomeKit compatibility make the Eve Smart Energy Strip a great addition to your smart home. I am Megan Morrone, and I host iOS Today every Tuesday and Tech News Weekly every Thursday, and I'm at Megan Morrone on Twitter.
Keep up with all the hottest tech news and gadgets. Visit twit.tv. There you'll be able to find and subscribe to all our tech shows. Thanks for watching Hands on Tech.